Kanjo ya Mangabana nireganite na itagari aria mwerekeria wa mathabu ja thirikari kuthingatira uria mbeca iria kinyite kirore tigatumika gukurukira mukariri giti wao kamitine ya KIGIINA Fenard Barasa BARIUGA kuthingatira ko NGUGI ya mwerekeria ujo wa mathabu ja thirikari bobo bwezite nyuma ya Mangabana kathomba kumurikwa nyuma ya gutumira nkuruki ya gichunchi kia 90 KUREGANA kia KIGIINA kia mabataro ja county. Boniface Mongera na jina njire Kinyaniru.
Ngwataniro ya kanjo magavana ni thumbite bunene muno ikarikari UBICI control budget kwithira bagikira magavana kirikazi ciaja nthi gorone ati batumirite mbeca buthuku kiri kuotembere mwaka wa kithirikari ngiri 2022 ngiri 2023 gukurukira mukariti wa kamiti ya KIGIINA kiri kanjo magavana oranwe gavana Otero Kakamega Fernandes Barasa ibogite NGUGI ni UBICI control budget ikuthunguna na wekira kirole budget ira bethiro bagitu thirikari cia county na ti kwithira beto matomia ora mbeca cia gutumirwa.
And our position as the Council of Governors is to remind COB that their role lies with approval of the requisitions, so that counties can now access money from the CRF account to the facilities account. That's where their mandate stops. But what they're doing now is to arrogate themselves the mandate of now supervising and also checking the implementation of the budget. That is the work of the Office of the Auditor General. Once the requisitions are supported, then the work of COB is to approve the requisitions from the counties.
Kiume kimwe kithiri ari mbere kamiti ya Senate ya CPIC munene wa UBICI control budget Bi Margaret Nyakango nerire ya kiama UBICI nene nkeri kathari katiba ya Kenya kwithirwa bethongo na kikina kira barekeria yatumika atia.
Like the issue of access of the CRF account, it's not their responsibility at all. That now becomes the work of the Auditor General, who will come and do a historical audit after the financial year has ended to confirm whether or not the amounts which have been disbursed to counties have been expended in accordance with the law. And that's our position, which we have made it very clear. It is something that maybe going forward we may address it again at IBEC in the next summit. But as far as you are concerned, the COB must stick to their role of only approving requisitions from counties are supported by the respective counties.
Kenge Governor Barasa na wite thirikari cia county no generate kwithira cinyaririka nontoria muthia thirikari ne kwithira kiria rugairo ta thirikari cia county ya December ya mwaka muthiru.
So if the national government delays to disburse monies to the counties, definitely at the end of the financial year, you will find you have obligations which have not been paid for. And now this will give rise to the pending bill. So I think a holistic solution is supposed to be provided for by the National Treasury so that we have a predictable and timely disbursement of the equitable share to the counties.
Nke reporter Antoshauru TV kumaja kingina ngrifoke Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.